they are in love with you. What did you do to this person? Honestly, like, this individual feels as if they have awoken from some sleep. You know, you have come into their life and you have awoken a flame, a spark, a fire from within that they did not even know existed. They didn't even know they could actually access. You have brought a lot of excitement, a lot of passion into their life. Some of you have been intimate with this individual. For others of you, you have not been intimate with this person, but they just sense that it will be dynamite, literally dynamite. But on the real, I feel like you have a very electric and exciting quality about you. You're very enthusiastic. You are independent. You're a go-getter. You're a self-starter. And this person just feels like you're unique. You are different. You're always on to the next one, meaning you're always doing something pioneering in their view, something that is original. They feel like you have a lot of stamina. They see you as ambitious, and they see that a lot of people vie for your attention. Some of you could be in the public eye, or even if you're not in the public eye, you are viewed as very popular. You're very likable. This person sees how a lot of people, this person feels like you're the female or male version to them. Like, you, look, we even got my favorite MC card, right? Your MC is your visibility, how you are seen. So for some of you, I feel like you could have strong planets that are connected to your MC. Maybe you've got your sun conjuncting your MC. You know, your sun is your visibility. And if it's conjuncting your MC, that is a very powerful and dominant energy that you project outwardly. Like, you give off leadership qualities. Whether or not you are in the public eye, this person sees you as a natural born leader. Some of you could have Mars aspect in your MC. Some of you could have your moon aspect in your MC. Some of you could have your Venus aspect in your MC. So your beauty is seen. They see you as extremely beautiful, whether you are a man or a female. Like, your beauty is seen as classic. Your beauty is seen as timeless. To this individual, you have a beauty like no other. And it's not just your physical, but your physical is very striking to this individual, right? Your mannerisms, the way you carry yourself, the way you speak, the way you respect yourself. But they see the way that other people are drawn to you. They see the way that people double take when they see your face, you know, see how you look. A lot of people are physically attracted to you. And this could have been one of the reasons why this person in the past didn't want to connect with you. They may have left you out in the cold because they may have felt like, I don't want to have to fight for their attention. Or they can have their pick and choose as to who they want to date. Why would they want to date me? Not knowing that you actually see this person as someone that is high value also. But because they weren't in that energy, they were intimidated by the attention that you got. Or they may have put you in a box. They may have felt like you are the type of person that only wants to date a certain caliber of partner, or you just like a lot of attention. Or they're, right? I hate when the camera does that. So they may have tried to look away. See how the camera flipped? They may have tried to not acknowledge you. In some cases, unfortunately, they may have tried to act like you were insignificant. It's like they were trying to force themselves to downplay your qualities because they didn't want to act like a fan, because you have fans. And they didn't want to appear like another one. oh, can I have your autograph? You know, oh, you're joking. But on the real, I feel like this person sees you as someone that is a high achiever. Maybe they know about your skills and your talents. They see you as someone that is so unique, so authentic in who they are. You're not trying to be like anyone else. Some of you may like to skate and they just find this to be so cool because maybe they skate too, or it's a situation of, I've never met anyone that is just so cool. Like, you can do tricks, you can do things that they've never even, they've never met someone like yourself, whereby your beauty and brains, and also you've got a certain swag, and not a lot of people do what you actually do. And it doesn't have to be skateboarding, it could be something in regards to singing, dancing, making clothes, acting. Some of you could do track and field, some of you can do sports, combat sports, some of you can do kickboxing, some of you can do Muay Thai, Taekwondo, swimming. But when I look at the Ace of Wands, I think more of boxing, combat sports. Because the Ace of Wands to me is my Aries card, and aces talk about new beginning, and Aries season starts when it is the spring equinox, and in some religions it's the beginning of the new year. And Aries energy is all about taking action, and Aries is ruled by the planet Mars. And so when I look at this, I just think of like pure fire. Some of you may like going to the gym, you may not even be into sports like that, like i.e. being in a team or you're training for anything. You may actually train in a gym and your physique is superb, my darling. They like the way you take care of yourself, and I feel like they do like the way that other people admire you, and I feel like you gain a lot of praise and adoration for your skills and your talents. But they also see how you're treated by others. They do feel like people fan over you. Now they're getting used to it. Now they're not intimidated by it, because they can see that other people can see the same things that they felt and that they see within you, that you are a powerhouse. Your energy is electrifying. You literally shift the energy of the room. You shake the room. Your energy is felt, even if you're quiet. People feel like they're in the presence of a powerful force. And you could be so serene, you could be so quiet, but some of you could actually compete regularly, and you could be very peaceful and quiet and elegant like a swan, but when you're in the gym, when you're training, it's like you're a different person. You turn into a beast. And for some of you, even if that's not the case, you could be a beast at work. Your energy is unmatched. Your energy just lifts the vibe. You are the vibe. But you have this very peaceful and serene quality about you. There's so many layers to you that this person just feels like, have I manifested my dream partner? Like, is this person even real? Because you have this ethereal, enigmatic, mysterious quality about you. It's very potent, it's very seductive, it's very alluring, and it's very Moorish. And they want to get into your mind, and they've realized that there's a depth with you. It's not just about your looks. Maybe your outer exterior is all about, the glitz and the glamour. Maybe you make up well, like you make sure your hair's on point, your clothes are on point, you're smelling good. But when they get past that, they realize that you are highly intelligent. For some of you, they realize that you're psychic. And they can't even put you in a box, and they don't want to put you in a box. They love your conversations. They find you to be extremely intelligent. It's like, is this person even real? Like, I can literally talk to them about anything. And they see you as a teacher, but you are also the type of person that brings a lot of clarity to them. And it's not just one way. it's a two-way thing, because maybe you enjoy their conversation also, but they feel like every time they walk away, or when they have that time by themselves to reflect on a conversation that you had, you always bring clarity to them. They always feel like they've learned something from you, and they see you as powerful and strong. So maybe they admire your work ethic. Maybe you do a lot. Maybe some of you are business owners. Maybe some of you are parents. Maybe some of you run a couple of businesses. Maybe some of you train. I feel like some of you train, and they respect this, and they just see you as their forever person. They find you to be so exciting, and they see you as someone that is highly ambitious, and someone, if you're not in this position right now, you will be in the public eye. You will be known for your skills and talents, and they respect you. They respect your hustle. They respect your craft. Some of you could be creatives as well, and they feel like you are extremely victorious. You've overcome a lot of adversaries, and they feel like you are their safe place, and they are deeply in love with you. They are falling in love with you. They try to deny it at first, and this is something that they kind of wrestle with, but they're in this energy of, I can actually manifest, because in the past they were kind of dealing with the cards that they were dealt. They'll kind of settling, with individuals that had no business being around them. Could have been 3 females, 3 exes. And maybe they put you in the same category, but they're seeing that you are in a whole lane on your own. And they may have seen people try to compete with you. And I'm hearing you cancelled out every other competition, because maybe there were others that threw themselves at this person, or was doing the most to try and push you out of the scenario, just in case this person liked you. Too late, you've got this person's heart. And if you felt like this person was looking somewhere else, that all they see is you. You are the full package to this individual. Look, we've got the King and the Queen of Wands. They see both of you as a power couple, and you are a power couple. They see you as stunning, fierce, confident, powerful, dynamic. You may go into business with this person one day, or they may want to help you if you've got a business, or if you're doing something. This is the person that is a supporter. This is an individual that will want to create a legacy with you, possibly have children. They're thinking on a whole new level with you. They're thinking, you're my best friend. I'm in love with you. I can talk to you about anything. I feel these deep, passionate feelings for you. I find you to be very intelligent. I find you to be very magical. And you feel like home. So yeah, I don't know what you've done to this person. I feel like what you actually done is just be your authentic self. You can't be any other way, because if you pretend to be someone that you're not, like some of these people did in the past, eventually the mask is going to slip, and Spirit is saying, keep doing you, keep pouring into you, keep becoming the best version of yourself, because this person loves you, flaws and all. This is a type of person whereby you can tell them about things that are deep, things that you wouldn't, and you may find yourself telling this person about past situations, and they won't judge you. They'll be honored that you opened up and shared with them in this way, because they do view you as someone that is very private, and they are honored that you have invited them into your private world. And that's one of the reasons why they love you. I'm hearing Beyonce's song, And That's Why I Love You. And they love you because you are confident. You love yourself. Some of you are like, I'm still working on myself, but you could be on your self-love healing journey. And how you feel within is what's radiating outwardly. And this is what this person's attracted to. You're very self-assured. You're dynamic. They love the way that You are bold. If you say you're going to do something, you go out there and do it. They do love your body. They think your body's banging, right? They try not to just emphasize on that. That's why I was taking quite long to get to that point. And they do like the way people fan over you. Like I said before, they was a bit uncomfortable, but they love the way people fan over you. And if you are in the public eye, you know, even if you are quite well known in your community, in your area, at work, they like the fact that you're popular. You know, they like the fact that you are likable, but they get to keep you and they get to have you for themselves. They like the fact that you're ambitious and that you've got a playful side. You're very creative. When you are focused on your work, you're very serious. You are very nurturing. You have a healthy balance between your masculine and feminine energies. You don't compete with anyone because you are your own competition. They love that. You are a master manifester. You are pure magic. You have depth. You have warmth. You're compassionate. They see the way that you interact with others. They see how you care. They love your fierceness. They find you unstoppable. And they love you. You or the person could be of the signs Gemini, Cancer, Aries, Leo, Aries again, Leo, Pisces, Libra, Capricorn, Libra again, Leo or Sagittarius, Leo or Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising Mars, North, South Node or Lilith.